Bill Henshaw here again, and today's discussion is on the Admiralty Jurisdiction, another subject you didn't learn a hell of a lot about in high school. Article 3, Section 2 of the Constitution provides for Admiralty Jurisdiction, a jurisdiction that primarily deals with international commerce and trade, originating at a time when much of this commerce was done on the high seas, over which no nation had any jurisdiction except as provided by international laws and treaties. In the United States, Admiralty jurisdiction can also be applied to interstate commerce. A really good trick, by the way, in my opinion, if there are no states, which I can prove. That's really interesting, at least within the limits set by the Constitution. For the last 80 years, however, the jurisdiction has been egregiously expanded by Congress and the 9 farts, aka the Supreme Court, to the point where there is little, if any, independence left for at least state citizens or states themselves to go about their business in accordance with the original intent of the framers. Why is this important, you ask? Two main reasons. One, the abuse of Admiralty jurisdiction by King George III was a central cause of the American Revolution, including issuing general search warrants without probable cause. Two, just like its brethren, federal regional martial law rule, there is no right to trial by jury according to the course of the common law, a right which you will learn from the acquisition of my modestly priced constitutional defense document packets, information available at unincourt@gmail.com, is secured to inhabitants of the territories by Article 2 of the Northwest Ordinance of 1787, yet the 9 farts have ruled there is no right to a trial by jury in at least a criminal misdemeanor case. And consider this, with only one ruling in the last 85 years by the 9 farts limiting Congress Admiralty powers, the case is the United States v. Lopez, 514 U.S. 549, in concert with the recent situation in which it was seriously argued that taking a crap in a government-funded bathroom affects interstate commerce, what activity of a state citizen does not affect interstate commerce, over which no state court has jurisdiction? What does this mean to the continued existence of all of the states admitted into this union? And where are you when you're in one of their traffic quote-unquote courts? It looks like a federal river of tar. Those of you who have followed my videos, subscribed to my channel, and acquired my materials know this situation is the main focus of all of my unopposed constitutional issues, that there are no states, which is the proverbial Pandora's box of troubles for all of the official actors, and that my issues haven't been challenged at any time they have been presented, yet the local dumbass has the sworn constitutional duty to do so. And now I've developed protocols to go on the offensive and get meaningful and substantive redress of grievance for all of the violations of rights inflicted upon us every day and without relief. To be sure, this process is presently in its infancy with updates to follow, but it can be done and you can do it. A copy of this script is cheerfully available on request at unincourt@gmail.com. Please like this video, subscribe, and tell your friends. Thank you.